Today we're going to talk about preserving lemons. Now this is a super easy recipe. You take, I have here organic lemons and I've washed them, and all you need: lemons, a jar, and salt. You got a tamper to tamp things down. That's good to have too. Hit that little red subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit the little bell, and comment below. Okay, I've cut up some more lemons here. I'm going to just add those to the jar as well and keep tamping it down. Tamping it down also causes the lemons to let off their juice. And you see, now as time progresses, more juice will be let off. Still got room, so I'm going to use fermentation weights. We've got